Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about a very important concept in C language, which is 2D array. A 2D array is also known as an array of one-dimensional arrays. So we can say that a 2D array contains multiple 1D arrays. It is also known as a matrix or a table because it contains rows and columns. So just like a matrix in mathematics, 2D array also contains rows and columns, and we can assess any element in 2D array with the help of its row number and its column number. So here's an example of a 2D array in which you can see that there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So you must have remember one thing that when I discussed about 1D array, I told you that every array, the first index of every array is 0, and then it moves on. Similarly, in 2D array, every row index starts from 0 and every column index start with 0. So you can see that the row number 1 and the column number 1 combines to make the first index, but the address of that index is x00. It means that whenever we have to assess the first element of our matrix, we have to assess it with its row number and column number, and that row and column number is going to be 00. Then 01, 02, 03. Similarly, if there is it's row 2, then the row number will be 1, and if it's row 3, then the row number will be 2. How can we syntax, what's the syntax of the 2D array? We have to see it. So first of all, we have to assign the data type just like we did in 1D array. Then we have to assign a name, and after that we have to specify the number of rows and number of columns. So here are 2 examples. The first example, we have created a 2D array which contains 2 rows and 2 columns, and in the second example we have created a 2D array which contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's it about 2D array, but we are going to discuss about 2D array in programs also, that how can we enter data in 2D array, how can we get output of a 2D array. So we'll be doing it. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to learn in 2D array is that how can we assign values in 2D array. So let's suppose we create a 2D array. I'm going to name it ARR, and I'm going to assign its row and column. So this is how we declare our 2D array, by specifying the number of rows and specifying the number of columns. But how can we assign a value to 2D array? We can do it like we did it in 1D array by using assignment operator, and after that we can use curly bracket. Now you can see that there are 2 rows, so we will create 2 brackets inside that one curly bracket. This will be representing the first row and this is going to represent the second row. And now we know that there are 2 columns, which means that every row will contain 2 elements. So let's suppose these are the elements that are present in this 2D array. So this is how we can insert or assign values in a 2D array. This is the first way. The second way to do this is using a nested loop. So let's suppose we want to assign 1, 2, 3, and 4 in 2D array. So let's do it. First of all, we'll be using nested loop. The outer loop will represent the rows and the inner loop will represent the columns. So int I is equal to, yeah, or I can say int row is equal to 0, row is less than 2, because there are 2 rows and the first row number starts from 0, so less than 2 will be used here, and row plus plus. Similarly, for this. Okay. So for column, int column is equal to 0, column is less than 2, column plus plus. So this is not a rule that we have to mention rows in outer loop and columns in the inner loop. You can change the order. It depends on your logic. So now we have to assign 1, 2, 3, 4 in our array. We can do it either using a scanf statement or we can do it using assignment statement. First, I'll do it using assignment statement. So ARR I row and then column, and I'm going to assign the value which I have created here, which is going to be I is equal to 1, and I'm going to assign this here, and then I'm going to print this array as well. So percentage d and then array row column. So this is how we can print a 2D array. One thing that we have to do is we have to increment the value of I. So now I'm going to run the program, and when I will run the program, you will see the output which will be in the form of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first element of 2D array contains 1, the second element contains 2, the third element contains 3, and the fourth element contains 4. So this is how you can assign a value. The second way is using a scanf statement. We can also do that. Scanf percentage d and ampersand row column, and I am going to copy this and after copying it I will paste it here, and this is going to be for printf. So now I'm going to run this program. First I will enter the values, and after that we are going to see the output. One thing, yeah. So let's suppose that I have entered 8591. So these are the elements of the 2D array 8591. You can change the formatting of the output. That totally depends on you. I'm doing it in this way at the moment. So this is how you can assign a value in a 2D array. You can assign print the values of 2D array. We haven't done anything so far about the array 2D array manipulation, but we'll be doing that in the upcoming videos. We'll learn how to add 2D arrays, and but this is the basic concept of 2D array, and I hope that you have understood what is the purpose of 2D array and how can we use them in C language. If there is any question, you can always ask me in the comment section, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.